Every HTML document follows a specific structure that ensures proper rendering in web browsers. Let's break it down step by step. The very first thing in an HTML document is the doctype declaration. Doctype HTML. This tells the browser this is an HTML5 document. Without it, browsers might not render your page correctly, and older browsers might have unexpected styling issues. Right after doctype HTML, there is an HTML tag. This is the root element of our web page. Everything inside our HTML document is wrapped inside this tag. The lang attribute tells search engines and screen readers that the page is in English. This improves accessibility and SEO. Next, we have the head section. The head section doesn't display anything on the page, but it contains important information about the document, including the title of the page. We can title our page HTML CSS tutorial, for example. Head also contains links to style sheets and external resources, and meta information for SEO and accessibility. For example, Meta charset UTF-8 defines the character encoding for the document. UTF-8 supports most languages and special characters. And Meta Name Viewport ensures the web page is responsive on different devices. Finally, there is the body tag. Everything visible on the web page, like text, images, links, goes inside the body tag. To sum up, doctype HTML tells the browser this is an HTML5 document. HTML is the root of the web page. Head contains metadata, and body contains all visible page content. Now that we understand the core structure of an HTML document, let's start building our project.